Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. So I get asked this all the time. Eric, what if my clients don't return the organizer or don't complete it? Two things. Number one, as part of your letter, if they're not going to complete the organizer, by signing the letter, they are agreeing that you will not be responsible for anything that is missed on that return. But you can't then prove if they gave it to us, not gave it to us. So if you're not going to do the organizer, understand you're letting they're letting you off the hook for any liability for anything that's missed, whether it's your fault or not. Number two, I would also, as part of that letter, inform them because of the automated nature now of your practice, that stuff has to get scanned. If they're not going to use the automated organizer and upload that, somebody on your staff is going to do it, and you're going to charge them an additional, I don't know, pick a number, $250. I have found that fee is normally enough to get the client to do it. All right. And if not, you get to charge them the fee and you'll make some money when your staff has to sit and do it. All right. That's what I do if they won't return the organizer.